morning, sunshines. So today is what's today? September 14th. I don't know. The kids are getting ready to go off to school. I have to do Destiny hair, and I have to take out something for dinner.
Can Jaxson have this cup and can I borrow his cup?
Let's do chicken breast. Ooh, yummy.
Can Jaxson have this cup and I borrow his?
What time is it? 7:59. Destiny, let's do your hair. So we're gonna do Destiny hair and get out of here. Let's do your hair. Let's do this real fast.
Do you need flat iron?
I don't need flat iron. Did you get all your stuff ready?
Yeah.
Do you have on, did you brush your hair?
Yeah.
One side of your hair is not brushed. One side of your head is not brushed. Jaxson, did you brush your hair? Okay, well, 7:59. Well,
It's
yeah,
8 o'clock.
7:59. Buggy, you have your shoes on?
It's 8
Stop
o'clock.
bugging the dog.
It's 8 o'clock. No, it's 8 o'clock.
It is 8. Oh, it's 8 now?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's 8 o'clock now. We got to go. We are running late. We are running so late. Usually we're not this late, but I woke up late because I was tired. I stayed up all night last night. I stayed up real late last night.
Ooh, yeah.
What year?
I like playing.
Okay, so she's done. Boys, come on, let's go. What do I have to do today? I feel like I have to do something today, but I can't quite put my finger on it. But I have to do something today. Oh, I have to mail off these baby showers. So I think.
Jaxson borrowed that cup and
Oh, you want to wear this? No. There's too much contrast. Get like a solid color.
Okay.
Yeah. So. I have to go mail off those baby shower invite and oh, and I have to clean my my carpet. My husband cleaned where Juju threw up yesterday. He cleaned that.
Well, I like this one.
That was nice. And he also was able to the blue.
Yes.
Oh. Whatever. It's your hair.
You're so fast. Where did you throw up? Jaxson had this cup and I borrowed his cup.
Alright, let's show the sunshines. Your outfit. Go.
Juju. This one.
Alright, no, I think it's too much contrast with the. Alright. So Ellie's wearing a top and her little legging. Put your shoes on. And she decided to put a blue bow in her hair. I don't know what Jordan's wearing. What are you wearing, Jojo?
I'm wearing shorts and
A t-shirt. That's it. Buggy, what are you doing in the kitchen?
it's almost all done.
No. What time is it, boys? Look at that. Someone, whoever is in there, turn off the lights on the way out. Turn off the light, Jaxson. Turn off the bathroom light. You guys have everything? All your book bags? Yeah, book bags. Your school supplies and stuff that you need? Turn off the whole light. Juju, put Juju no, Juju staying. Juju went out, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't want to bring them.
No, Juju stay. If he already went out, let Juju stay.
I wanted to bring you. Hey, Juju.
Juju, you staying, buddy.
Juju?
So the kids are off to school and it's 8:56. It's 8:56 and the reason why I am just getting back in the house is because there's this lady that goes to take her little boy to the same bus stop, you know, as my children, but she's Filipino, but she doesn't drive and her husband works night, something to that effect. And she lives with her mother-in-law, and basically I saw that when I was coming back from the bus stop, I saw that her little boy had missed the bus. Okay, buddy, put it on the, be careful. Ooh, look what he's trying to do. Ah, he's so grown. I'm about to give him some juice. But I saw that he missed the bus, and I know the last time she told me that she didn't drive. So I took it on myself to offer her a ride. So when I go to the bus stop, I don't take my car keys. I just go. So I came back. I didn't even say anything to her. I just came back, grabbed my keys, and then went back over there, knocked at her door, and was like, you know, do you need a ride to take your son to school? Because she doesn't have any family in this country, and she doesn't have any friends or anything. So there's no one she can say, oh, you know, my son missed the bus, can you come? You know, so even though she could take a cab or something, but I figured I would offer to give her a ride. And then she was telling me about her mother-in-law, and that she lives with her mother-in-law, and that it was hard for her because her mother-in-law wanted her to do everything, cook her breakfast, bathe her, and all of that stuff. And I'm like, no wonder she thought that me having 5 children was hard, because the poor girl life is hard.
No,
you know?
oatmeal.
Oatmeal? I thought you said you wanted juice first. I
wanted juice first and oatmeal.
Alright, let's taste this juice. I haven't tasted. Oh, okay, it doesn't taste bad. So no wonder this lady thinks that me having 5 kids, because she was shocked. She was like, you're pregnant. No, you're pregnant. I couldn't do that. You drive while you're pregnant? And I'm like, yeah, I don't have a choice. I mean, I don't have a choice. And it's not a bad thing to drive when you're pregnant. Plus, their school is like right down the street. Like, I'm not going anywhere. So she was like, oh my gosh, you're pregnant. How do you drive while you're pregnant? And I'm like, it's not hard. It's really not hard. But I feel for her, you know, and it gives me another perspective onto why certain people think that having multiple children or having numbers over 3 is hard, because their life is hard, you know. And you know, it makes you realize why people think that way, and why they would feel like it would be hard for you just because it's hard for them, you know. But my children are so spaced out in age, and they have a routine, and certain things were instilled in them from they were young, so they know that when we go out, you don't act a certain way, you just don't, you know. So when we go out, people are like, oh my gosh, you have the most well-behaved children. And I always take it aback by it, because I'm like, don't all children act this way? Because it's up to you as parent to instill in your children what you want to see, you know. It's not gonna they're not gonna come out and magically be obedient children and listen when you speak to them. Grant you, my children are not perfect. They're not perfect. They have their days where they just had it, and they're just, you know, Jordan is like that. Jordan has his days when he just like, you know, Jordan is my rough child because he has ADHD, and trying to micromanage a child with ADHD is hard. But right now I'm just like rambling, like 4 minutes and 47 seconds of me rambling. But I just say that to say that it's not hard, and it's not hard. It's not hard. And I wish people would stop making it seem like it's hard. It's not hard. Anyways, I'm rambling, so I'm gonna go. Okay, what am I doing today? I have to make Gio his breakfast. He's like right there waiting for breakfast.
Oh, there's sugar. He's sugar.
You see sugar?
Yeah. In here.
I have to make his, I'm gonna make a breakfast.
Oh,
and, start editing some videos.
Oatmeal too?
And I have to clean my bathroom today. I'll see you guys later. So we're waiting on Gio's bus. And I'm gonna go get me some Chipotle. I'm gonna get some Chipotle. Put some gas in my car. Like I call myself, my husband has some gas in the house. So I call myself trying to put gas in the car. Cause he has gas. He has a gas tank. A gas, you know, the little portable gas tanks.
Yeah.
The little gasoline thing. He has that in the house.
You know,
So I call myself pouring gasoline and couldn't figure out the spout. You know that thing, that the little nozzle.
Yeah.
I couldn't figure it out. So I got irritated, but my needle is on E. So I'm just gonna go put gas and then get out of this house, do a little shopping. So Gio bus comes at 12:15. It's 12:13.
What?
So we have 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes.
2 minutes?
So I didn't put no makeup on. I just I took my jujube little purse. And why I'm over here trying to sign into the Chipotle app. I'm over here trying to sign into the Chipotle app. I don't know if you guys can see. And it's saying that error, cannot connect to Chipotle supercomputer. Like seriously, I don't want to go sit in Chipotle and wait for food. I want to order my food from my phone and go pick it up and have it ready by the time I'm done my errands. But I don't think that's gonna happen. Life cannot be that easy for Janice. It has to be complicated. What's on my lens? I have to clean my lens. So anyways, I will catch up with you guys once I get to Chipotle. I'm gonna do that and then update you guys.
Bye.
So I'm back from Chipotle, guys. I got the works. I got me some. What I got a burrito bowl with everything, extra meat. The only thing I didn't get is the fajita mix because I'm scared that I'm gonna get heartburn. But I got that, and I got my guacamole. So my total was $14. So I'm gonna scarf this food down, go finish editing my vlogs that I'm editing, and I'm editing the Bean Boozle challenge for you guys to have that tomorrow. I'm gonna eat this and probably take a nap. Yeah, so good morning, sunshines. So today is Thursday, September 15th, and it's what time is it, guys? Almost 8 o'clock. I have to do Destiny hair. It's a bit cloudy outside. I gotta go do my eyebrows. See them things? Gotta go do those, and then I gotta get some hair to braid my hair.
You're braiding your hair?
I'm braiding my hair, yeah.
Why didn't you just keep her braided hair?
I don't know. So that's what we're doing today. I'm in my yellow dress. My husband called it the bumblebee dress. Did you brush your teeth?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see them. Go wash your face and brush your hair.
I brushed my
Put some lotion on. Jason, let me see. Let me see your teeth. You brushed them?
Yeah.
All right.
I brushed them.
I'm gonna go do Ileana's hair. Destiny. Did you brush your teeth?
Mm-hmm.
Come closer. Open.
No. That one.
Go wash your face.
Okay.
Yeah. That's my inspection for the day. So, anyways, I'm gonna get the going. We're waiting for you.
I right here.
Why is it so dark? It's so dark in this house. Let's go in the light. Let's go in the light and we show you her outfit for the day.
Mommy.
Yes, Juju. Not Juju. Yes, Bunkin. There she is. So she's wearing, what are you wearing? Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Okay. So she has on her shirt, her little jeans, her sandals, and
Me.
her hair is always in a ponytail, but it's a bun. Turn around. Do a 360 for us.
Huh?
Do a 360 for us. Hi, Buggy. Buggy, what are you doing?
That's stronger. I have
Look,
forgot about
look.
the strong. Forgot about the song.
Didn't I say do? Never mind.
With her.